guess where I'm going? I'm going to see the Zippin' Pippin' baby. That's right, the Zippin' Pippin', and I'm going to ride it, and you're going to come with me in the summer. Right now, the Zippin' Pippin' was Elvis Presley's favorite roller coaster. He used to actually, when it was down in Memphis, Tennessee, he used to actually rent out the whole amusement park. And they're building it right now. And it's supposed to be open in May of this year. I cannot wait to go on the Zippin' Pippin'. That's going to be a blast, baby. A real blast. And it's a beautiful day here in Green Bay, Wisconsin. It's 34 degrees. That's nice. The sun's out. The car was actually warm. Oh, I'll tell you, I can't wait for spring. Construction of the Zippin' Pippin'. Right there, baby. Look at that. Border on, and you can see the Zippin' Pippin', baby. There you can see it. That's the I don't know what the heck that is, but you can see it goes all the way back. They got some piles of stuff there. It's hard to see now, but there it is. Woo-hoo-hoo-wee! We're four-wheeling, baby, in the Malibu, the Chevy Malibu. There you have it, folks, the Zippin' Pippin'. Okay, here's another great game. You're gonna love this. It's the same game we played before, but this time a little more interactive, and we got a few more tries we can do it. What you're gonna do is guess how many, when I set the camera down, I'll say go. You guess how many seconds it's gonna take to knock the camera over. This is with the dogs. Okay, here we go. Ready? Go!
Come here, what are you doing? What are you doing? Come on! What's everybody doing?
Whoa! Okay. Okay, there was one. There's one calm up by you, sweetheart. Ready? Go!
Come here! Everybody come here! Come here! Come here! Whoa! Come here!
Hold on, you gotta go. Yeah, you can't come in here yet. It's not time yet. Ready? Then go!
Come on! Everybody come here!
That one didn't take long. Okay, we'll do it again. Alright, here we go.
Okay, come here, everybody come here! Come on, everybody! What? Come in! Hey, where are the other pups? Come on! Everyone, come here! Ready?
Okay, ready? Ready?
Come on! Come on, roll, roll!
Whoa, that was close.
Come on!
Whoa, that was close. Ready? Oh! Oh! There it went. Okay, folks, we'll do it one more time. This time we're gonna have a little game here. Here we go. Ready? Go!
Roll, what are you doing? Roll, roll!
Liquor, yeah.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, whoa, 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 mister! What are you doing? Hey, I'm trying to record here! Oh my god! Come on, guys! Whoa! Oh, Jesus!
Come on, someone's gotta bring me some ropes.
That's what they did to me. See my glasses? These were $100 glasses. No, these are $50 glasses.
You got no control.
Okay, let me do it again. Whoa, T-birds. Whoa, don't be smashing me in the face. Who's gotta go pee-pee? Whoa, you almost knocked the cord out of my computer. Holy smoke. You gotta go pee-pee? Let's go pee-pee. Come on. Let's go pee-pee. Come on, everybody. Let's go. Alright, there you go. We got one, you got two. Oh, Tucker, he's gonna go right now. If I don't open this door, he's gonna go right now. You really gotta go pee bad? Do you have to go pee-pee? Who's gotta go pee-pee? You gotta go pee-pee really bad? Fifi, you gotta go pee-pee? Who wants you to go pee-pee? You gotta go really, really, really bad? Huh, Fifi? What's wrong? Ready? Set. Don't you wish your dog went to the bathroom like this? They're ready to go. Go! Careful. Jeebers. Oh my. The wait. They're all going right now. They're out going to the bathroom. This is a typical evening. It's about 6:30. They usually ask around 6:30 to go, and that's what the video is about. Going to the bathroom. That's our life story. We have a doggy door, but with it being winter outside, we cannot. It's on the screen. So maybe we'll look at getting a doggy door next year for the winter time. No. I don't know. No, Debbie said no. And here they come. There's one, there's two. Anybody else? You coming, Fifi? There's three, there's four. Whoa, there's five, and there's six. They're all here. Woohoo! Sit, Tucker. Sit. Give me five. Give me another five. Good boy. He's a good boy.